Pilipinas, kaya pa ba? Is the Senate on damage control? Kabi-kabila na ang presscon ng bagong Senate President na si Alan Peter Cayetano hinggil sa nangyaring putukan sa Senado kamakailan lang. Unti-unti nang nabibigyan ng sagot ang mga pangyayari after the parallel investigation of the NBI, PNP, CIDG at pati na rin ng OSAA. Because of the admission of the Sergeant-at-Arms Aplasca that he fired the first warning shot, at nung tinanong siya about the rules of engagement ng PNP, he shockingly admitted sa isang interview na hindi pa niya nababasa ang PNP Manual of Operations at hindi niya alam ang rules of engagement. Wow, my ganern! At ayun na nga, he is now being suspended from his position. Bakit kaya? I smell something fishy. Tapos, gusto naman ni Cayetano na masuspend din si NBI Director Mabitag. Why? Anong kasalanan ni Mabitag? At ito na nga ang breaking news. Aplasca claimed that the CCTV footage of the area in the Senate where the gunshots were fired is not available. Wow! Himalang naglaho o wala ba talaga? Akala ko ba walang himala, sabi ni late national artist Nora Honor. NBI now names Robin Padilla, Senator Alan Peter Cayetano, and Aplasca as persons of interest sa pagpapatakas kay Bato de la Rosa. So, under attack pa rin kaya ang Senado? Sabay-sabay nag-vlog, diba, yung mga China tours at may pa-hashtag pa si Manang Aimee. Of course, para mag-viral. Wow na wow, kaog bahaw. Di pala bahaw kasi naka-buffet after. Sana all. Let's wait for more information na lang mga kababayan kasi at the end of the day, the truth will always prevail. And the people who broke the law will be held accountable. Malapit na tayo sa exciting part. Just like what I say, don't lose hope. Hope is endless.